Hello guys, kami Pitney dan for to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This time I want to talk about insurance. What is insurance? Most people have some kind of insurance for their car, their horse, or even their life. Most viewers don't stop to think too much about what insurance is or how it works. But simply, insurance is a contract prepared by a police in which a policyholder receives financial protection or reimbursement against loss from an insurance company. The company pools claim risk to make payments more affordable for the insured. Insurance policies are used to hedge against the risk of financial loss, both big and small, that might result from damage to the insured or their property, or from liability for damage or injury caused to a third party. Key takeaways: insurance is a contract policy in which an insurance benefits another against from specific contingency or policy. There are many types of insurance policies. Life, health, homeowners, and auto are the most common form of insurance. The core components that make up most insurance policies are the deductible, policy limit, and premium. How insurance works: multitude of different types of insurance policies is available, and virtually any individual or business can find an insurance company willing to insure them for a price. The most common types of personal insurance policies are auto, health, homeowners, and life. Most individuals in the United States have at least one of these types of insurance, and car insurance is required by law. Business requires special types of insurance policies that insure against specific types of risk faced by a particular business. For example, a fast food restaurant needs a policy that covers damage or injury that occurs as a result of cooking with a deep fryer, and outdoor cooler is not subject to this type of risk, but does require coverage for damage or injury that occur during test drive. There are also insurance policies available for very specific needs, such as kidnap and ransom, medical malpractice, and professional liability insurance, also known as error and omission insurance. Insurance policy component. When choosing a policy, it is important to understand how insurance works. A firm understanding of this concept goes a long way in helping you choose the policy that best suits your needs. For instance, while health insurance may or may not be the right type of life insurance for you, the components of any type of insurance are crucial: premium, policy limit, and deductible. This premium, a policy premium, it is priced typically explained as a monthly cost. The premium is determined by the insurer based on your or your business's profile, which might include credit needs. For example, if you own several expensive automobiles and have a history of reckless driving, you will likely pay more for an auto policy than someone with a significant sedan and a private driving record. However, different insurers might charge different premium for similar policies, so many the price that is right for you requires some legwork. Policy limit. The policy limit is the maximum amount that an insurer will pay under a policy for a covered loss. Maximum might be set per period, per loss or injury, or over the life of the policy, also known as the lifetime maximum. Typically, higher limits carry higher premium. For a general life insurance policy, the maximum amount that the insurer will pay is referred to as the face value, which is the amount paid to a beneficiary upon the death of the insured. Next, deductible. The deductible is a specific amount that the policyholder must pay out of pocket before the insurer pays a claim. The deductible serves as the deterrent to raise volume of small and significant claims. The deductible can apply per policy or per claim depending on the insurer and the policy. Policies with very high deductibles are typically less expensive because the high out-of-pocket expense generally result in fewer small claims. Next type of insurance. Point, health insurance. With regard to health insurance, people who have chronic health insurance or need regular medical attention should look for policies with lower deductibles. Next, home insurance. Homeowner insurance, also known as home insurance, protect your home and possession against damage or theft. Virtually all mortgage companies require borrowers to have insurance coverage for the full or fair value of a property. Usually, the purchase price and one make a loan or finance a residential real estate transaction without proof of it. Next, auto insurance. When you buy or lease a car, it's important to protect that investment. Getting auto insurance can cover insurance in case you're involved in an accident or the vehicle is stolen, vandalism, or damaged by a natural disaster. Life insurance is a contract between an insurance and a policy owner. And travel insurance is a type of insurance that covers the cost of loss associated with traveling. Okay guys, this is for the question about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you next time.